Hi everyone, welcome back to another session in Adobe Premiere Pro where I will be teaching you how you can create this fake prism effect in the software. It looks very complicated. You might have seen this type of effect in music videos, well, especially in music videos, but it's actually really easy to create and it gives out a really cool effect. So without further ado, let's begin right away. So I already have my Premiere Pro opened up right here and I've created a sequence of this particular dance video over here. Okay, like this over here. Okay, not like a dance video, but it's just this really cool video that I found. Okay, so then what I need to do is that in my project panel over here, I am going to select my effects panel over here, and in the effects, I will be looking up this particular effect called replicate. Okay, so this replicate is under the stylized category, which is again under video effects. So I'm gonna just take this effect and drag it and apply it onto my video over here. So technically it just splits my screen into 4 like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it like this over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down over here. And in my replicate over here, right, this replicate effect, I have these masking effects as well. So I'm going to make one mask in the middle. Preferably, I will be using this ellipse mask, but you're free to use any other shape from here, okay? So I'm going to create an ellipse mask over here, okay? And I need to just make this a little bit bigger. I need to edit this, make this. You can edit this however you want. Make it how big or how small you wanted it to be. It's completely your choice. Okay. And probably drag it here. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is that I need to also invert this. So I have this invert option right here. So I'm going to click on this invert option like this over here. And since I see all these lines over here between each of the split screens, I need to also increase my mask feather. So by default, my mask feather over here is 10. I will be increasing this even more like this over here. Okay. So if I now see it like this, you can see that my fake prism effect has been added like that. Okay. So, but if you're still concerned with some of the edges that are showing over here, right, you can make another mask by using the pen tool from here. Okay. So, by default, I have made this one right here. I've used the ellipse. But in case if you want to get rid of this one as well, get rid of the edges over here, you will have to make a different mask by using the pen tool and then cover the edges over here, and the process is mainly the same. Okay, so once that's done, I can click on the enter key for it to render, and once it's rendered, then it's going to play very smoothly, and I'm going to show you how it looks like after it's rendered, how this prism effect looks like. So as you can see now that my video has finally been recorded like this, and it's also playing very smoothly now. Okay, so this was the prism effect and how you can actually fake this effect. And once that's done, don't forget to save your files in an Adobe Premiere Pro format as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.